Hi guys, so for today's lesson, we were talking about masks in Photoshop and how to go about it. To be honest, it's one of the concepts that I found difficult to understand for myself. And it's also one of the things that are difficult to explain to my students, especially if they're not used to Photoshop and all these things. It's quite a difficult concept to explain. So if they finally get it, I'm happy because I knew how much time it needs to explain this. Although the concept is very simple, maybe because I've repeated it so many times to different students. So I hope you get it as well. Here it goes. Okay, so here's a photo of handsome man. This is from the Musée de la Préfecture de Police à Paris. They had this really nice costume. So I had my layers on, and one of the fastest way to open the mask is to apply an adjustment layer. So it's that black and white circle at the bottom of your layers window. So you just click that and you apply any adjustment layer. Okay, so as you see here, this is the part where we will do the mask. Okay, so what it does is, if I go here, where's that window? Oh, okay, here it goes. So this filter, this curves adjustment layer, is I could go extreme and have the photo. Let's do a really exaggerated one so we can see this quite easily. Okay, let me close that up. So once you're done with this here, this is where you adjust, double click it, and you can adjust it back. So I'm gonna go here and I'm like, you know what, I don't want this. So if it's white, it means all of the filter shows in the entire picture. So therefore, if I don't want this adjustment layer in some parts of the photo, I have to color it black. So here on my toolbars, you will see that by default, the black is in front. If you press letter D, it will switch to white in front and back in the foreground. If you click on X, it will show the front. You can switch X to switch colors. Okay, so we're gonna go to letter B on your keyboard. That will show you the brush. Make sure it's in normal mode, 100%. And you can make the brush size a bit bigger so we can see. And for example, here I want it to lighten up, so I will simply brush this face, and see here it creates this black spot here. Okay, if I want half of the body to not have the filter, I'm just gonna brush it here, and you see as I brush here, it shows up here in this area. So it's simply like the concept of painting a house and you don't want to paint the rest of your house. So the black color serves like a cover, or like the newspaper. So if you cover the sofa, let's say the tables, so they wouldn't get painted on. But those who do not have the newspaper or the cover, which is in white, will get the paint. You see what I mean? Okay. I hope I managed to explain to you guys, but anyway, let me know